Why don't we get up to no good together?
Hey, come on, man, get up, get up.
No, we need to get up.
I have to get up really early tomorrow morning.
Come on, Miriam, get dressed.
All right, I'll get dressed.
I don't care. Come to my room and help me get dressed.
Better step on it because we have to get dressed and get going.
Get dressed.
Hey, get ready to see some begging.
Just take it and let's go. Get ready to move.
Okay, get ready for the music.
I gotta get ready.
How did you get along with your father and mother when you were growing up?
To get along with your mom, so maybe you'd like to get together.
We really should get together and talk more about this path we are on and where it's heading.
Get together, have a few laughs.
You know, we can get together once in a while.
George was all fucking eager for them to get together.
Get over here, Danny.
Okay, get over there and keep a lookout.
Get over here!
We'll just get the Coke. I'll get out of here.
Find Alan so we can get out of here.
And I told you when I get like that, get out of my way.
I really need to get out of here.
Okay, great, because I gotta get out of here. Another one already? I didn't even get off.
Go for me. Go for me.
Hey, Bill, just get off.
Thought I'd see if you could get off a little early.
Get off! I needed to get a job.
Now you have to go out and get a job.
Why don't you go get a job instead of wasting your time on all this crap?
We have to help Elliot get a job back.
You get a promotion and you're quitting?
I suppose everybody feels like this when they actually get a promotion.
Just because you want to be a big shot, get a promotion.
Oh, maybe you'll get a promotion.
Hey, it's me. How'd you like to get a promotion?
People also want things to get better.
Some people do get better.
I hope I never get better.
I mean, she's sick, but she'll get better, right?
We should probably get started.
Okay, let's get started.
If we can just get started.
Before we get started, does anyone want to get out?
That thing's gonna get lost in the folds.
This building is massive and it's super easy to get lost.
Get lost, you creep!
I get lost in Brooklyn.
Sometimes I get lost.
You'll get the hang of that.
Well, maybe it takes a while to get the hang of it. I think I'm starting to get the hang of this.
Once you try it, I think you'll get the hang of it, okay?
It really took me forever to get in touch with her.
Get in touch with his folks.
Did his brother leave a number or a way to get in touch with him?
I'm trying to get in touch with you for 45 minutes.
At some point, they're gonna get in touch with you.
And if I get angry with you, I punch you right in the nose. Is that right?
No.
Don't you even get angry?
You get angry. Don't make me get angry.
Well, then get angry at him for not telling you.
They just get excited.
Yeah.
Let go, please.
Don't get excited.
I'll remember that the next time you get excited by drawing pubic hair on Raisin Bran.
It's heavy, but don't get excited.
Which means we definitely won't have room for...
What if I get bored?
If you get bored, just play with the fucking cat.
I would have thought you would get bored.
Call me if you get bored.
Charlie! How did you get in here?
Jimmy.
I can't get in the middle.
It really took me forever to get in touch with her.
How did you get in here?
You get all cute, you get in my panties.
All right, get out there and have some fun.
If you get this message, Giles, get help and get out here. Take your wife. She didn't get out much.
We'll just get the Coke. I'll get out of here. This is not the time for this.
Get out!
Take care of you till you get on your feet.
And get on your J.O.
I tried to get on that plane.
Okay, well, let me get on that and see what I can dig up on eBay.
Kids, get across the river. Come on, I can't even get across town.
You get across, I need you to get to the ATM.
You will have to get across on your own.
I needed to get across the lake to my onion field.
As soon as I get back to Galactica, I'll send a rescue party.
Well, I should get back to that cake. I have to get back to the kids.
Hey, get back to work. Hey, get back to work, both of you. Go. Go, come on.
I get the message.
You fucking monkeys never get the message.
He'll get the message.
They didn't get the message that you're leaving.
I think I get the message.
Come and get it, Mr. Stone Age man.
How did you get it?
Why? Let's get it put away.
That's so classic. Where did you get it?
I really don't get it.
Go on. Get ahead of us.
And you showed up.
Not unless the pumps get ahead.
He also said you were a coward and that you'd screw yourself to get ahead.
I've gone wherever I've had to go to get ahead.
No.
Well, I don't think this lean cuisine's gonna get it done. Here.
You're gonna get it done.
Yeah, we'll get it done. Weekend all right?
Done, you gotta get it done yourself.
We'll get it done.
You always get your way. It's like...
You'd hurt my son to get your way.
I'm glad you didn't get your way.
Rule number 1, no using sexuality to get your way.
You always get your way.
Go study. I get in trouble if you don't study.
If your daddy catches us, you'll get in trouble.
Daddy not home.
You didn't get in trouble for answering questions.
You get shot between now and then, I get stuck. You understand?
Don't worry, darling. You won't get stuck.
and neither of us will be able to go in and help you if you get stuck.
You know what happens to you if you get caught?
If we take her to the hospital, we will get caught.
Oh, don't worry, little man. We're not going to get caught.
Having you in my arms once again, I get carried away.
I mean, this is our second time around, David. I didn't expect us to get carried away.
Before we get carried away on the flood tide.
Don't get carried away.
But hold it. Before we all get carried away here.
So you don't get distracted.
Don't get distracted, focus. You got it.
You know, I don't want to get distracted doing a bunch of press, though. No, this is...
Don't get distracted now.
I don't know why I let myself get distracted with it. I'm sorry.
I lied to Mom because I didn't want her to get upset.
Now give her the bottle and don't upset yourself for her.
I can't.
I am not gonna get upset.
Can I say something? You won't get upset. What?
What the fuck? Am I gonna get sick now?
There's a whole colony of people there who didn't get sick.
The bank closes. We get sick. My wife died on a plane.
I told you to get in shape, Frank. You really should get in shape for that kind of duty.
I got 6 weeks to get in shape.
Don't you ever get tired of asking that question? If you get tired waiting for the waves out there.
Did you get tired of bombing the universe?
No one can make you get married.
I can't get married without my best man.
We'll have plenty of time for that when we get married.
So that they believe that we're a couple about to get married.
You know, we have to get divorced one of these days.
You can get married, you can get divorced.
Ouch. That guy really must have wanted to get divorced. I mean,
You didn't get divorced on my account, did you?
When did you get divorced?
It's been 3 years.
Do you think there's any chance we'll get back together?
You should get back together with Victoria.
I don't think you should get back together with this guy.
Maybe I should get back together with Naomi. She was nice.
Try to get back together again.
You know what? It's starting to get late.
So I get late night takeout cravings.
I get busy doing what it is I do.
Hey! Why don't we get busy and deliver the briefcase to Mary?
But I make it a point to get busy as soon as I feel the blues coming on.
Hey, come on, boys and girls, let's get busy. So we've got to get busy right away and find out what's wrong.
Well, I'd never get used to it.
better not get used to him.
Well, I wouldn't get used to it because you know it's not going to last.
Don't worry, you'll get used to this in no time.
You should get a good deal.
We don't want to arouse suspicion by not trying to get a good deal.
We're gonna get a good deal.
He insisted that me and he get a good deal, and he didn't tell me.
I'd make a little something, and you'd get a good deal.
You're the one who gets rich by killing.
You get rich, right?
You guys said you wanted to get rich, now you're rich.
Get rich and famous, and then help Lil Sis. But that's gonna change when you get rich.
Yeah, you always get paid. What about your responsibilities, huh?
Don't worry about me. I'll always get paid.
If you don't smile, your mom doesn't buy any prints and I don't get paid. Get paid for the story, you know?
I never told you this, but I was hoping we might get the chance to adopt Ned. I think
You'll never get the chance again.
Have to see it if you get the chance.
Just go ahead and get it over with.
So let's go home and get it over with. Get away from me. Now, let's go home and get it over with.
I'm finally going to get it over with.
If you're gonna do it, just get it over with.
And get your act together.
Well, get your act together and produce fighting young men.
How long does it take to get your act together?
You better get your act together.
You gotta get your act together. I'll help you.
To get by with no one.
I don't use it. I get by.
If I sold them all, maybe we might get by.
All you have to do is get by me.
Let's not get into it in front of other people, okay?
I don't even want to get into why. I was wondering when we might get into this.
I want to live with this. Martha, get into my room.